Papasok talaga ang mga pukol dito. Ni Benite o Siko. Even if it's a sarcastic smile, it is still a smile coming from Coach Sheng Jiao.
That's right. Pringle for three. Another one from the same spot for Stanley.
Point lead for the Lasto Painters.
Here's Stanley once again.
And then defense is already there. Look at Anton Asisio staying under the shot of Stanley Pringle.
Stanley. Step back, teardrop, money. I mean, looking for the foul, not going to get it. Here's Gray. Jeremiah pulls up, money. And Belliga back in it for rain or shine. Here's JB. There's a switch. Pinto wide open for the corner triple. Money.
Sabi niya ito, this is a good time. I don't want parang Ginebra to be having their fast break opportunities, but wow, no need for fast breaks because Nards Pinto is hitting the big shots.
Second three-pointer of the game for Pinto. Stan Hardinger. Over to Scotty. Scotty will attack. Scotty inside the paint. Beautiful passes. He's Stan and the finish.
It's given a rest in the early part or the third last 2 minutes of the third quarter. Tactic coming from Jeremiah Gray. Look at this. Oh wow! This was the attempt of Thompson
over Big Bo.
He's just so strong going to the hoop. Scotty Thompson.
Pinto. Step back, baseline jumper, money.
And you know, the door is just open.